Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of English Conversations for Advanced Learners.
Hey everyone, I'm excited about today's topic, mastering advanced English through real conversations.
Yes, we'll talk about habits, discipline, and personal growth, topics that are not only useful for your English, but also for your life.
And we'll use natural English, idioms, collocations, and expressions native speakers use every day.
So, Jack, do you believe habits shape who we are?
Absolutely. I think habits are the foundation of success. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. and read for 20 minutes every morning.
Wow, that's impressive. Reading in the morning helps your brain wake up.
It does, but it took me months to develop the habit. I used to hit the snooze button all the time.
That's relatable. I used to stay up late watching TV shows. It took discipline to break that pattern. Let's go over some advanced vocabulary from our chat. Consistency, doing something regularly without giving up. Momentum, the force that keeps you going once you start. Accountability, being responsible for your actions. Mindfulness, being aware of the present moment.
I love those words. They're common in conversations about self-improvement.
Exactly. Try using them naturally when describing your routines. For example, I lost momentum after skipping the gym for a week. Accountability partners help me stay on track.
I have learned to set clear priorities. I list 3 important tasks every morning.
That's smart. I use the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of deep work, 5 minutes of rest.
Oh, I've tried that. It really helps to reset your focus.
Self-discipline isn't about being strict. It's about being consistent even when you don't feel like it.
That's true. Motivation fades, but discipline remains.
Phrases to learn. Stay on track. Push through laziness. Get into the zone. Discipline beats motivation. Build resilience.
Advanced speakers often express abstract ideas with metaphors. Example, discipline is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets.
Advanced speakers use linking phrases like, having said that, that being said, in the long run, from my perspective, if it weren't for...
Example, if it weren't for my morning routine, I'd be a mess every day.
Perfect. That's a real conditional used naturally. Say 3 sentences using if it weren't for and record yourself. Compare your fluency after a week. Personal growth is something we all talk about, but what does it really mean to you?
For me, it's about becoming a better version of myself, learning from mistakes.
Well said. Growth isn't linear. Sometimes you take a step back to move forward.
I agree. I used to get frustrated when I failed, but now I see failure as feedback.
When you say something like, I completely agree, stress completely to sound natural.
I completely agree.
Great. Now try saying it with different emotions. Happy, serious, surprised.
I completely agree.
Do you think people today are too ambitious?
Maybe. Ambition is good, but burnout is real.
Exactly. Finding balance between work and rest is crucial.
I've started taking digital detox weekends. No phone, no laptop.
That's a great idea. I call that recharging your mental battery. In English-speaking cultures, conversations about productivity and personal growth are common.
Right. And people use polite disagreement often, like saying, I see your point, but...
Exactly. Advanced speakers show empathy and respect in discussions. Today we covered a lot. How habits shape success, the difference between motivation and discipline, the mindset for personal growth. real-world challenges and balance.
And we learned tons of natural expressions and pronunciation tips.
Keep practicing daily. Remember, fluency is built, not born.
Thanks for listening. See you in the next episode of English in Daily Life.